So this problem is very interesting. It marked as an easy problem, but still many people are not able to solve this. So we can see like how it is going to work, and we'll read through the whole problem and then we will start it with the notebook and then go with the code. Okay, so let's start with that. And so I'm going to read this problem. So problem is best time to buy and sell stocks. Okay, so you are given an array prices, which is this array, all right, where price is I, which means this value is the price of given stock of ith day. Like any, these are considering day, these are considering prices as well. So you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing different day in the future. Okay, we need to keep this in mind. They are definitely telling in the future. It means so suppose we are buying something here, like this $5 stock, we cannot sell it in the past, like same like real time situation. Okay, different day in the future to sell the stock. Return maximum profit you can achieve from the transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. So it sounds like it is very blunder, but it is not. Okay, so we'll see like how we can start doing this. So initially what we can do, we'll review this whole array and then accordingly we'll create our calculation. Okay, so I have already connected my iPad here as well. So cool. So they are saying so we need to buy like any value, we can buy like any minimum value. All right, so it means like we have to return profit in any way. If we are not getting any profit, we need to return 0. So in this case, so this is 7th, right? But this is yeah, this is 7, yeah, but this is largest value largest 7. But this is a problem, because if I buy this today, I cannot sell it today itself. They are saying you can sell this in future only. So it means we are not going to use this value. So this is on indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All right, so next we come this value 1. So we can buy on this day because this is the minimum value, right? This is the minimum value, and we know like we have maximum value somewhere here, like this is 6th, this is the maximum after this one, because we are not going to purchase this day, because if we buy this, we cannot basically sell it in the future. If we'll sell this, definitely there will be no profit, because maximum is 7 and this is least maximum, another least maximum is 6. 7 minus basically if we 6, we are again we not in profit, we are again in the loss. So it means we need to start from here, and we need to keep checking each and every basically values here. So whichever value, like wherever we see like it is a great profit, more profit, we will be choosing that only. Because if we do this this day and we buy on sell on this day, so it means 5 minus 1, we have 4 rupees profit. And if we have, we can definitely we are not going to buy this, but still if we do this 3 minus 1, we have 2 profit, and then 6 minus 1, we have 5 profit, and 4 minus 1, we have 3 profit. So maximum profit, it is returning this value, which is this one, right? So in this case, how we can start the check, how we can do it check, start writing the code. So initially what there are so many approaches, but what approach I'm going to follow, that should be even optimized best, like in the best way. When we submit in the basically here in the LeetCode, it should give us good beats. So what I'm thinking, I will be keeping minimum price, like minimum price that I'm going to buy, and maximum profit, right? So I will keep 2 variables. One is min price. Min price I will be setting by default this value, the first value of array. So that will be like this my prices, and this guy, and maximum I'll explain this code as well, like when I will be writing here. I'll go with each iterations, like how it is basically checking it out. So this is max. So in the maximum I'm setting 0 because I don't have any profit right now. So initially phase I'm going to set it totally 0. Okay, So let's start writing the pseudocode. So suppose we have this array already, and in this case I'm going to use I'm not going to create function, just directly for I in like whatever my price is. So I have these prices, right? So what I'll do, 0 to my prices array dot count. So whatever count we do have, we are going to less than that, because array start from 0 itself, we all know that. And now we'll start with the real logic, how it is going to work, sorry. And now, so in this case I'm assuming I have already declared two variables. One is where min price, right? Min price is again it is our prices 0, that I'm setting it, and I'm moving it a little bit down. 1 second, where is that guy? Yeah, this guy. So I'm keeping it somewhere here, so I need little bit more space here. Okay, and now another variable is maximum profit. So what profit we are getting from this value when we buy something. Okay, so now the loop is already there. I have a little bit less space, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to move it again a little bit on the top only, somewhere here. Okay, so this is good. So here I will be checking, I'll start comparing basically my this prices with my maximum profit. I'll see, like, if I'll update maximum profit first, and then I'll update the minimum price, the minimum prices that I have picked. So in the loop here, if I am checking like this, if this or I or this one or make prices I, which mean this first value, all right, and minus, I'm going to basically I'll explain all this, minus from where is our min price greater than max profit. So in this case I want to update my max profit equal to so what I have to do here, I have to subtract value that I have spent already. Suppose I bought it for the rupees 1, and now I'm basically selling it for 5. So 5 minus 1, like 1 I have already invested, and what are the what are the profits? Profits are only 4. Okay, so now so here I'll do this one, my where I'm keeping it, min price, all right, min price that I have invested. So here prices I, which mean whatever value we are getting minus min price. All right, so what it will do, so when I'm iterating here, so when it will check, so suppose prices I, min price. So suppose this min price, we have max profit somewhere around like 3 or 2, and we are initially, suppose we just imagine, so if we get like min price initially, when this iteration happen, we are getting like 4 or 2 or 3, we are negative that number, and max profit we have 0 right now, right? So in this case, suppose we have any value here, we will be updating that value, but we will again basically subtract the value, like whatever we have already invested. Suppose I have invested 2 rupees and I'm getting profit of 5. In that case, what I can do, in that case, basically, if I'm getting 5, I'll do 5 minus 2. It means the profit is 3. So this is that condition for the max profit. And again, one more condition we need to put here. If where is that? Yeah, so this is for this one, and this is prices. If again prices again this prices I less than my main price. So in this, what I'm going to do, so suppose I'm checking here, this my current price, suppose my price is setting by default 7, but I got like 1. It means this price definitely less than less than, like 1 is less than 7. So in this case I will be updating this one. So what I'll do here, min price, I'll just update my min price. Min price equal to prices I, and we will be returning return max profit. All right. So I know like this might be looking a little bit confusing, but definitely I'm going to explain it again. So what I'm thinking like I should start writing the code, and then we will break this out through the iteration. We'll understand like how it is going. Okay. So now we have prices, and we are going to set min price. Min price is prices and prices first value. This is we are keeping. Suppose we I'm just going to copy this here as well for now, just for the reference purpose for now. Here, all right. So we have this one, and in this case what I'm going to do, I have set this min price by default 7, and we need variable max profit. In max profit we are setting 0. All right. So because right now, till now, we don't have any profit. So here again I will be iterating it. I in 0 to my prices dot count. So this will go till my array length -1. Okay. So here now we will be putting our first condition. We will be checking max profit, and then we will be updating min price as well. So if what happened? Okay, if prices I, so this guy minus min price equal to greater than max profit. So max profit, in this case what we are gonna do, we are going to update our max profit. Max profit is prices I, because we have to subtract our investment, which is our main price, right? So main price, so whatever amount we have invested there, so this is fine. And now we need to go to another condition, because we again need to update the minimum price as well. So if this max what I'm doing, prices I less than min price, we need to check if we get any another price, minimum price that we have already we have in the array. So then accordingly we'll see the profit. Okay, so min price less than I, in this case min price equal to, so min price equal to prices I, min price equal to prices I, right? So this is our solution, and we'll see if these tests are working. Okay, this will break because we are not returning anything, so we need to do that as well. Missing return statement, which is totally right, and we need to return max profit. And here if we go again, okay, so our cases are accepted. So what exactly is happening now, we will be checking it here. So initially what do we have, we were having this amount, this minimum value from this array. Take example for this one. So initially we had 7. Okay, so max profit is 0. So now when first iteration happen, so we are checking prices I minus min price. Okay, so what do we have here? 7, and 7 minus 7 is 0, and we are checking greater than max profit, and max profit is 0. So definitely it is not greater than 0, and so it will not go to this condition. Here we are again checking prices I less than min price. So 7, the first iteration, because this is again still we have first iteration, like 7, it is checking 7 less than 7. No, it is not. This is false. All right. so it means this will skip this one as well. So this is again skipping. So here we were checking 7, okay, 0 greater than 0, and that is again false. All right, so this is false. So now again for the second term, when it will iterate again, so where it will go? It will go here for this one. So we are checking prices high minus min price. So prices high, now it is 1. Okay, so we are checking 1, not 1, like this is 1, and min price is 7. So 1 minus 7 is negative 6. So we are checking negative 6 is greater than 0. Again it is false. And here we are going again prices high, which is now 1 less than min price, and min price initially we had 7. So now it will update our min price to 1. It means this condition true. So this guy less than 7, which is true. This is our second iteration. All right, so we passed the second iteration. Now we are again going to third iteration. So in third iteration we have 5. So 5, it means price is high, which is 5, and minus min price is now 1. So which is again, it means like if we 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4, and 4 greater than 0, because max profit is 0. So it means 4 is greater than here, so it will update our max profit. All right, so here it will go again. So prices high is again, I'm telling it 5, and min price now it is 1, so it will not go inside this condition, because definitely 5 is not basically lesser than 1. Okay, so it will skip this guy, and then again skip this guy, and then again we'll go here 3. So 3 right now profit is 4. All right, so it is checking prices high, then it means 3 minus 1, 2 is definitely not greater than 4, because right now profit is 4, so it will not go to this one, and it will also not go to this one, because right now our min price is still 1, and it is and we are comparing it with 3. So 3 is definitely greater, and we are checking here prices high, it means 3 is less than min price. 3 is definitely not this min price, so it will not go to this condition again. So now it will go to this guy, like a 6. Okay, it will be checking again prices high, which means 6 minus min price. Min price is 1, the profit is here 5. All right, so it is checking like this: 6 minus 1, profit is 5, and we are checking 5 greater than 4, because the last profit we had was 4 from this guy. All right, so definitely this is true, so it will go to this condition, and we are updating our max profit again. So in max profit we are updating price high, which is 6 minus 1, which is our minimum price. So it means like profit is 5 now, and here we'll go again. So 5 is definitely not lesser than 1, and the minimum less value we have 1, so it will skip this condition again. So again it will go for the last iteration. So we do have this iteration, this is 4, and definitely we will be skipping all these both checks, because our profit is 5 and this is 4. If I'll do price I, which is 4 minus 1, minimum price is all again 1, it will give us 3, and 3 is definitely not greater than this guy, like max profit 5. Okay, which we have already declared here. So it will skip this one, and 4 is again not lesser than 1, because 1 is minimum less value we do have here, so it will not update min price. So max return profit is 6 minus 1, which is 5. So that's what we are doing here. So they have basically, when LeetCode works, how it works basically, so they implement different test cases in different they provide different scenarios. So here it is returning 0, because this least minimum value we are getting at last. Okay, and the largest value we are getting all this, so definitely it will return 0. And here the same approach that we implemented. Okay, so if we submit it, so it should be working. All right, so it is giving us 100% beats. The solution is very optimized. it took like around 0 millisecond to basically compile. So this is how we solve these kind of problems. Initially, whenever we start with this kind of problem, we only get scared from that explanation they have provided. So we always have to look into this very closely. Until unless you never start with code, just get the pen and copy and start writing there. Start breaking it there, like how we can break it in the way that we can solve it in the code itself as well. So, and also we should properly basically follow these their conditions as well. They are saying you want to maximize profit choosing a single day. It means if are you choosing single day today and you cannot sell today itself, then buy one stock and choose different day in future. It means if I buy today, I cannot sell it today. I have to then sell it in the future only. So that's how we have to keep an eye on these kind of checks, because many times we fail to check this and our test cases are not getting passed. So that's how it works. So I hope you guys are liking this video and will understand the concept that I'm trying to explain. So if there will be any query, you guys can ask in the comments itself. Definitely I will try to answer there as well. So that's all, and we'll definitely come with next video, similar topic or like a little bit more hard topic, and then we'll solve it together. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll meet soon. And make sure like and subscribe and share my videos.